Next, Policy Brief, a presentation of the policies of the United States government.
In 2009, the criminal terrorist group commonly known as Boko Haram began a campaign to overthrow the government of Nigeria and replace it with a regime based allegedly on a strict interpretation of Islamic law. Since then, Boko Haram members have wreaked death and destruction across much of that nation's northern half. The group's insurgency has claimed the lives of more than 4,000 people and forced hundreds of thousands to flee their homes. On April 14th, the group attacked a school for girls in the northern state of Borno and abducted more than 250 students, some as young as 15 years old.
We join the world, the people of Nigeria, and the parents of these children in expressing our outrage at Boko Haram's shocking acts and its perverse ideology.
U.S. Principal Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for African Affairs, Robert Jackson, said the tragic kidnapping calls us to redouble our efforts to defeat Boko Haram. The United States has been aiding the Nigerian government in its fight with the militants since 2009, providing law enforcement training, communications equipment, and intelligence assistance. The United States has sanctioned Boko Haram leaders and offered a reward of up to $7 million for information leading to the location of the group's leader, Abu Bakr Shekau. And the United States is providing additional assistance in response to the kidnapping of the students.
All of these policy tools, our security assistance, our legal and sanctions actions, and our diplomatic engagement, constitute the framework within which we are working to help Nigeria bring back these girls kidnapped by Boko Haram. Resolving this crisis is now one of the highest priorities of the U.S. government.
That was Policy Brief, a presentation of the policies of the United States government.